Welcome, in today's tutorial I will show you how to silently unscope the AWP in CS2 game. So, as you can know, the AWP is gonna make a noise when you are scoping twice and unscoping. So enemy will know when you are unscoping and you are free kill. So to confuse the enemies, you have to bind the switch hands. As you can see, my AWP is on the left and now is on the right. By default is H on the keyboard. So as you zoom twice and you press the H and you zoom one more time, enemy will think that you are unscope, but you are zooming and aiming to your opponent. So it's very tricky. Remember that you can use it when you are OP. So that's all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!